Hey guys, here's a summer cocktail for you, and it's using my Prepped Ahead lemon concentrate. So this one is kind of a riff on a French 75. So we're gonna start with some first ice, pop a lemon wedge or lemon slice in there. I like putting one on both sides so that you see it on both sides. Very summery. We're gonna add some vodka. I usually eyeball, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some more lemon concentrate. I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons. Because this is really sweet, remember, because it's our concentrate. Actually, let's do 3. So to this, I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon of my Saint Germain, which is just elderflower. It's beautiful. It adds a really nice depth. So because this is pretty sweet, because it's a concentrate, I'm going to add a few dashes of orange bitters. Also adds a nice little depth and cuts that sweetness. And now we're just going to top it with some club soda. Got a little messy there. Give a little stir. Oh my gosh, this is like summer in a glass. If I had some mint, which I don't, I would put mint in there, but that would be so good. And here is our summer riff on a French 75 using my Prepped Ahead lemon concentrate. That is dangerously good. Thanks for hanging out, guys. See you next time.